Hi, I'm Lena with Corona Hardwood. With all the waterproof flooring options out there, I bet you're wondering, what should I buy? Here's why you should consider the NexxaCore brand flooring. All of NexxaCore collections have high-definition visuals for the most realistic look possible. The 2-to-1 ratio of limestone to 100% virgin PVC. Virgin PVC is more stable than recycled or mixed plastics. Tight 30-degree bevel allows for cleaner lines and a more realistic look. Also, does not trap dirt and dust as easily as the more common 45-degree bevels. The Unilin Uniclick 2G lock makes it really easy to install. Acoustical underlayment with sound ratings is attached. It's 100% waterproof, resists mold and mildew, and minimizes subfloor imperfections. And you know you got the authentic NexxaCore flooring when you see the signature orange underlayment. The Lance collection is an SPC product, Stone Polymer Composite. The planks are 7-inch wide and 4 feet long. The Cosmos collection is also an SPC. What is notable for this collection is that all the colors are clean styles mimicking AB grade styles of wood with very little knotting. The planks are 9 inches wide and 5 feet long. The District collection is a WPC, which has a resilient vinyl layer. The planks are 7 inches wide and 4 feet long. It has a 20 mil commercial urethane wear layer with aluminum oxide. The Peaks collection. What I really like about this collection is its pattern repeat is every 8 boards. 9 inches wide, 5 feet long. These planks have 20 mil commercial wear layer. The Peaks XL have multi-width planks, 5 inches, 7 inches, and 9 inches wide. All the planks are 5 foot long. What is really cool about this collection is that the repeat pattern on it is every 16 boards. For NexxaCore flooring and all the other wonderful brands of flooring that we have available, please visit us at coronahardwood.com or come to our showroom in Corona, California. If you found this video helpful and you like it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your social media family.